Hello YouTube viewers, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to Web APIs using .NET 5 series. In this video we will install Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition and the latest version of .NET 5 SDK. Open your favorite browser, go to visualstudio.com. It will redirect you to visualstudio.microsoft.com and begin the download of Community Edition 2019. Takes a couple of seconds for it to begin, and once it's downloaded, go to the download folder and double click the file to begin the installation. It does some prep work to start the installation of Visual Studio Installer, so give it a few seconds. 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 Once you get to the screen, select ASP.NET and Web Development. Scroll down and select .NET Cross-Platform Development. And make sure that you have enough space on your system because it requires around 10 gigs of installation, 9.2 gigs to be exact. I'll make sure that there is at least 15 to 20 gigs available. Go to individual components and make sure that .NET 5 runtime is selected as well, and you can leave rest as is. You don't have to do anything special, and begin the installation. The installation takes some time, so we'll come back to it once the installation is complete. I'll pause the video here. Once the installation is complete, you'll reach to this screen. You can simply close the screen from here and go to command prompt and run .NET --version, and you can see .NET 5.0.2.01 is installed. Close the command prompt and then look for Visual Studio in your start on it to make sure that it's installed correctly. Takes a couple of seconds to get started. So simply click not now, maybe later. Select general development, blue, or any other theme you want to select. I generally use blue, and leave the default settings at general and click start Visual Studio. Give it a few seconds before it starts up. Seconds. Generally it happens on the first time. Few more seconds. So once you reach to the screen, that means Visual Studio has been installed correctly. So that's all for this video. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please leave them below. Click that like button. Likes are always appreciated. Please subscribe to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.